Hello and welcome to this episode of Project B. We sold the Mazda 3 MPS, and in this episode we're going to break down how much we paid for it and how much we made. So a few weeks ago, my brother and I, Morgan, bought a 2007 Mazda 3 MPS with the goal of flipping it and making some money out of the car, and then turning that profit and money into the next car, and so on until we get to a Lamborghini. So first up, first car, we bought, like I said, the Mazda 3 MPS from the auctions, pretty much sight unseen, and all up that was $6,538, all the auction expenses, surcharges and so on.
So after we got the car home, we tried to start it and it wouldn't start. So we had a look and the battery was completely dead. So we tried to recondition that one, but unfortunately we couldn't save it, so we had to go get a new battery. And that one was $200 for the battery. Not cheap, but you know, we have to have a battery just to move it and sell it. So we also noticed the last recorded service was around about 40,000 kilometers ago. So we had to do spark plugs, oil filter, oil change, air filter, you know, all the basic maintenance of the car. So all that equated to $192. And another thing we noticed is the front bumper, the headlight washer caps, we didn't have any, so we had to get them. So we sourced them for $20. And also, to get the car in the road, we had to get registration and a roadworthy certificate and all that. Roadworthy certificate we got was $120, and registration and insurance and all that equated to $474.
Once the car was on the road, we did realise there was quite a bit of noise coming from the front brakes. That just happened to be some brake pads. So we swapped those over, which was $60. And then the car was all good to go. The total cost for us in our first initial car is $7,600. So between the two of us, it was about $3,800 investment. So we listed the car up for sale and ended up selling it for $9,000, which was pretty good. It was leading up to Christmas, so it was kind of hard to sell cars. And that ended up being a $1,400 profit for us, or 15% of the initial investment. Thanks very much for watching this episode of Lemon to Lambo. If you've enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button, comment down below and subscribe, and make sure that you stay tuned. In our next episode, we go hunting for our next lemon, so we'll see you in the next Lemon to Lambo video.